While working with SBI, I interacted with people from multiple businesses, hundreds of them with the same passion. I have seen people with the same passion. Some of them grew richer, larger, and some of them fail. So I was wondering why they fail. Lack of the systems, lack of the right kind of people, lack of the right kind of environment. These are the causes that a business to fail or to succeed. I thought my experience coupled with my education would help entrepreneurs to succeed, and it is my mission to help them with the right kind of systems to implement in their own organizations. For that, some of my batchmates and myself have come together and started Consoul Associates in the year 2019. And we have been interacting with, associating with the companies in SME sector and banks to help them to improve their systems in sales, marketing, process implementation, HR, and almost all domains. We have experts from all domains with Consoul Associates.